Hey two warriors, your exam is knocking at the door, and you're panicking about Group A? Don't worry, this video is your last-minute savior. We've collected the top 20 most repeated 2-mark questions from taxation in Nepal for BBS third year, all based on the Real 2 pattern. So sit back, grab your notebook and let's score easy marks, fast. Question 1. Define taxation. Taxation is a compulsory financial contribution imposed by the government to raise revenue for public development, like building roads, hospitals, and schools. Question 2. What is a direct tax? A direct tax is paid directly to the government by individuals or organizations. Examples include income tax and property tax. You can't pass it to anyone else. Question 3. What is PAN? PAN stands for Permanent Account Number, a unique 9-digit ID issued by Nepal's Inland Revenue Department to every taxpayer. It helps track tax payments. Question 4. Mention any 2 objectives of income tax. Objective 1. To raise government revenue. Objective 2. To reduce income inequality by taxing higher incomes more. Question 5. What is the assessment year? The assessment year is the fiscal year in which the income of the previous year is calculated and taxed. Question 6. Define VAT. VAT stands for Value Added Tax. It's a consumption-based tax collected at each stage of production and distribution on goods and services. Question 7. Mention 2 types of tax. There are 2 main types of tax. 1. Direct tax like income tax. 2. Indirect tax like VAT and customs duty. Question 8. What is tax evasion? Tax evasion is the illegal act of not paying tax, like hiding income or showing fake expenses. It's a crime and punishable under law. Question 9. Mention any 2 features of a good tax system. 1. Equity tax should be fair. 2. Certainty, taxpayers must clearly know when, how, and how much to pay. Question 10. What is presumptive taxation? Presumptive taxation is a simplified method where small taxpayers pay tax based on estimates instead of full accounting, like small traders paying a fixed amount. Question 11. Write 2 differences between direct and indirect tax. Direct tax is paid by the taxpayer to the government, and cannot be shifted. Indirect tax is collected by sellers and passed on to buyers, like VAT. Question 12. What is tax planning? Tax planning is the legal process of arranging finances to reduce tax liability using available deductions, exemptions, or incentives. Question 13. Define tax avoidance. Tax avoidance is using legal methods to reduce tax, like investing in tax-saving schemes. It's not illegal, but sometimes considered unethical. Question 14. What is income tax? Income tax is a direct tax levied on the income earned by individuals, firms, or organizations within a specific period. Question 15. State any 2 types of taxable income. 2 types of taxable income are: 1. Employment income like salary, bonuses. 2. Business income like profit from trade or services. Question 16. What is the full form of IRD? IRD stands for Inland Revenue Department, the government body that handles tax administration in Nepal. Question 17. 2 differences between tax evasion and tax avoidance. Tax evasion is illegal, while tax avoidance is legal. Evasion leads to penalties and jail, avoidance does not, though it might be discouraged. Question 18. Mention any 2 exemptions available to individual taxpayers. Exemption 1. Basic exemption limit like 5 lakh for individuals. Exemption 2. Additional relief for senior citizens or people with disability. Question 19. What is TDS? TDS stands for Tax Deducted at Source, a system where tax is deducted before payment is made, for example in salary or rent. Question 20. Mention any 2 components of income. 2 components of income under the Income Tax Act are: 1. Income from employment. 2. Income from business. Quick rewind. Let's fly through all 20 questions. If you want to take a screenshot, this is the slide to pause. These questions can literally bring you 20 marks in just 10 minutes of revision. Want to score full in Group A? Here's your cheat code. Keep answers short and clean. Always underline main keywords. Use smart headings like definition or types. And remember, even if you're unsure, write something. You lose nothing. Still want help with Group B and Group C? We've got you covered. Just hit that like, smash subscribe, and drop a yes in the comments. We're on a mission to make TU students exam ready, 1 model question at a time. Best of luck, you're going to do amazing.